Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0780, indicating a shift error, is a significant diagnostic trouble code specifically related to the automatic transmission control system in Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016. This code typically arises when there are issues with the transmission's ability to shift through its designated gears effectively. When the code is stored, it suggests that a malfunction may have been detected alongside other related codes, such as P1730, P1731, P1732, P1733, and P1734. Understanding the implications of these connected codes is essential, as they provide context regarding the failure of the transmission system. To accurately troubleshoot this issue, it's crucial first to capture and document all freeze data, along with any onboard snapshots using the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, before proceeding. Evaluating this data not only facilitates a more structured approach, but also identifies underlying mechanical or electrical issues impacting the transmission's functionality. The DTC P0780 pertains to the automatic transmission's shift control system. This system is essential for the vehicle's transmission to smoothly shift through its multiple gears, enhancing performance and drivability. The Automatic Transmission Control Unit, ATCU, is pivotal, as it receives input from various sensors to determine when and how to shift gears based on driving conditions. In the Honda CRV, this unit is typically located near the engine bay within the transmission assembly. It governs the shift solenoids, which control fluid flow in the transmission, enabling gear shifts seamlessly. A malfunction in any of these components, or the signal they send to the ATCU, may trigger the P0780 code. Therefore, ensuring all connections are intact and the unit is functioning properly is vital before diving into more complex troubleshooting steps. Potential causes for the DTC P0780 are multifaceted. One significant factor could be a faulty shift control unit, which is responsible for processing signals from various vehicle sensors and managing gear changes. If this unit fails or develops a fault, it can lead to erroneous shifting issues. Another possibility is issues with the shift solenoids. These electrical components regulate hydraulic pressure to enable different gear engagements. If a solenoid is defective, it will disrupt the normal shifting sequence. Additionally, wiring problems, such as frayed wires or poor connections, can also contribute to this trouble code. Damaged wiring may hinder the delivery of accurate signals to the ATCU, resulting in improper functioning of the shift mechanism, and hence triggering the error code. Thorough inspections of these components are essential in diagnosing the precise source of the DTC. When the DTC P0780 is present, various symptoms may manifest concerning the vehicle's performance. A common symptom is poor acceleration, which may occur as the transmission struggles to shift through its gears effectively. This can lead to an overall sluggishness in the vehicle's response, making it a safety concern while driving. Another observable symptom is a slipping transmission, which is when the engine revs higher than expected for a given speed, indicating engagement issues in the transmission system. Drivers may also notice the check engine light illuminated on the dashboard, which serves as an alert for the onboard diagnostic system. In severe cases, the vehicle may experience harsh shifting, not smoothly transitioning between gears. Each of these symptoms can significantly detract from vehicle performance, making timely diagnostics essential. For the first troubleshooting step concerning DTC P0780, begin by turning the ignition switch to the on-to position. This action powers up the onboard systems without starting the engine, preparing the vehicle for diagnostic checks. Following this, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to clear any stored DTCs. This step is crucial as it resets the system, allowing for a fresh evaluation of any ongoing issues. Once cleared, proceed to conduct a test drive with the shift lever positioned in Drive D. During this drive, it is essential to let the transmission shift through all 5 gears as intended. Monitor any changes or reoccurrences of the DTC during this operation. If the code persists, it's an indication that further investigation is warranted, potentially leading to identifying other related DTCs in combination with the P0780 code. After the initial testing and clearing of DTCs, the next crucial step is to check for any other diagnostic trouble codes present alongside the initial P0780. This involves using the HDS to assess if multiple transmission-related error codes are indicated. If additional DTCs are detected, it's vital to address those first, as they may provide valuable insight into the underlying issues with the shift control system. Each of these interconnected codes can give a clearer picture of the problem at hand, helping to isolate potential causes impacting the transmission's functionality. If there are no other DTCs, it suggests that DTC P0780 may be a standalone issue, possibly necessitating updates or repairs in the PCM or powertrain control module. If it is confirmed that no other DTCs exist in combination with P0780, proceed to update the PCM software. The PCM is a critical component that manages numerous engine and transmission operations, and having outdated software can lead to miscommunication within the system. If the software is already up to date, consider substituting the known good PCM as a troubleshooting step to verify whether the existing PCM is malfunctioning. This substitution will help determine if the current unit is responsible for the P0780 code or if the issue lies elsewhere. After performing these updates or substitutions, it's essential to conduct a repair verification process. This involves, once again, test driving the vehicle and monitoring the OBD status after performing the updates, aiming to see if the P0780 code has cleared. After completing the necessary repairs and modifications to the PCM for DTC P0780, it is crucial to perform a final repair verification to ensure the issue has been resolved. This involves a test drive with the shift lever engaged in D, allowing the transmission to shift through all gears as intended. During this stage, closely monitor the OBD status using the HDS. Depending on the results, the HDS will indicate whether the DTC has passed, failed, or is not completed. A passed status suggests that the repair efforts were successful, while a failed status indicates that further troubleshooting may be needed. If the status is not completed, reiterate the test conditions, ensuring that the vehicle meets the necessary criteria for accurate monitoring of the DTC status. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0780, maintaining the vehicle's transmission system is essential. This includes regular updates of the PCM software, ensuring it remains compatible with all vehicle operations and adjustments. Additionally, regular checks of the transmission fluid are crucial, as low or degraded fluid can severely affect transmission performance and longevity. Keeping the fluid at optimal levels not only ensures smooth operation, but also prevents internal wear within the transmission. Furthermore, periodic diagnostics should be incorporated as part of routine maintenance to catch any emerging issues before they escalate. Proactive measures such as these will contribute to the long-term reliability and performance of the Honda CRV's transmission system. In conclusion, understanding the DTC P0780 and its implications is vital for the effective management of the Honda CRV's transmission system. By adhering to a structured troubleshooting process and clearly identifying each component's role, mechanics can efficiently isolate and rectify issues related to shifting errors. Additionally, regular maintenance and awareness of the significance of DTCs can greatly enhance vehicle performance and reliability. Ultimately, effective diagnosis and timely interventions allow for better management of transmission systems, which is crucial for driving safety and vehicle longevity. Emphasizing proactive maintenance strategies will not only help to avoid future DTCs, but also ensure a smooth and efficient driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.